Here I'm going to show you how to. This is my beautiful cat. Her name is Suki. She's gorgeous. She says hello. But in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to clear out storage on your iPhone when you're running low. The main culprit, if we go into settings, the main culprit, if we come down to general, and we go to iPhone storage, usually messages is taking up a lot of storage. In my case, it looks like Spotify. So when you come here, you really want to look at what is taking up the most storage. In some cases, we really can't control it. Photos, you can go through and delete videos and photos, but a lot of times we want to keep all that stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick cleanup of your iPhone storage. Only takes a few, and then you can make a big impact. So I want to look first at the breakdown. So for me, applications majority of storage for me. So I probably want to go through and delete a lot of applications. How do you delete applications? You go through, you would, for example, touch and hold and hit the minus sign and then delete app and delete. And also note that they may not be living on your home screen. So you actually want to swipe all the way to the end to the app library. For some reason, this isn't letting me click, but you get the idea. You go to the app library and you just touch and hold on each of them and delete. That's how you get rid of applications, taking a little bit of time to do that. If it's photos, go through your photos, get rid of videos, get rid of photos, clear out duplicates. Doing that is going to be a little bit slow, but if you do it a few minutes a day, you can really make a big impact. For mail, that's not really my thing, but email, you can go through and unsubscribe and delete a lot of stuff in there. But the main thing I want to focus on today is messages, because messages actually usually takes up a huge majority, and it's a little known fact that messages that you receive from people that have videos and photos tend to stay on your phone and take up storage, even if you saved those photos in your camera roll. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say review large attachments. See how it says save up to 16.21 gigabytes? I'm going to review large attachments. And these are, in fact, videos that I know personally that I have in my photos, but you can go if you want to. Hey, it's talking to my sister. If you want to save it, all you need to do is click at the top and hit save video. And if it's a duplicate, we can deal with that later, but I'm pretty sure your photos will recognize that it's a duplicate. Plus, if you took it on your phone, obviously it's already in your camera roll, but let's pretend somebody sent me this video. I would save video and then my photos would know it's a duplicate. And then I could delete the video. So I can either, hey, I'm trying to swipe on it, but I'm also recording on the Mac. So I think I'm going to hit edit and I'm going to select this and then I'm going to hit delete. Edit and select this and hit delete. And I can actually select multiples if I and hit delete. If I were to go through and edit and if I were to go through and simply check off these, there's not really an easy way to do it other than just check. And then I can hit delete and really make a big impact on clearing out my storage. And there's no trash bin or anything. Some of the recommendations that I've been given are review downloaded media. I have, for example, books in my audios and Audible that maybe I don't need, that I've already finished them. So all this stuff really stays forever. It'll go away later. But all this stuff really stays on your phone and takes up a lot of storage, and we just don't realize it. Hopefully that helps you do a quick 5-minute cleanup and get your storage back. And really the buffer that you want to see, I have 87, that's plenty. If you have, I would say 30 or more, that'll give you room if you want to upgrade your phone in the future. The upgrades do take up extra storage, so you do want to give yourself a good amount of buffer. And if you need more storage, you would have to upgrade your phone. Some people just minimize the things that they download and that's how they manage it going forward. Hopefully, you will have enough space after this video. Thanks for watching.